Hello everybody, it's Timothy here. Welcome to Discover with Timothy. Today I'm at Rainbow Paradise Beach Resort. I'm going to turn the camera around to show you. So we are at Tanjong Bungah. Let me show you the road. Yeah, we are at Tanjong Bungah Road, and we are at one of the few hotels in Tanjung Bungah where you can walk right to the beach itself. Okay, so this is Rainbow Paradise Beach Resort, and I'm going to go in. So today I'm going to do a video to show you what is available at this hotel. I'm going to walk straight through all the way to the beach. Nowadays, it's almost impossible to get a hotel like this along Tanjung Bungah because everywhere is all developed. But this hotel was built, I think, a few decades ago, and is one of the few where we can go straight across to the beach itself. So we are going through the spacious lobby of Rainbow Paradise, and I'm going to go down to the beach itself. You can see that the beach is right in front. Okay, we are going down this spiral staircase now. The large greenery of the cafe. This is Mangrove Cafe. So Mangrove Cafe is the main eatery here at Rainbow Paradise Beach Resort. And next we are passing through the pools of the hotel. So it has one whirlpool over here, and on the other side there is another swimming pool. Okay. Right now it's 11:20, very hot, so that's why there's nobody in the pool. Yeah, so, but if it's in the evening part of the day, I believe this pool will have lots of people. Now I'm going this way and this way, and in a short while we are going to arrive at the beach. So that would be the beach of Tanjong Bungah. When I was small, my dad used to take me to the beach of Tanjong Bungah because it's one of the nicest beach close to Georgetown. So here we are in front of us, the beach of Tanjong Bungah. On this very lovely day. So as you can see, it has very nice soft white sand. Come, let me show you the sand. You see, the sand at Tanjung Bungah is very soft. And over here, you can see there's the floating moss over there. Maybe one day I'll take you on a walking tour all the way to the moss itself. And this is Tanjung Bungah, and in front of us, up here, is Rainbow Paradise Beach Resort. Yeah. So this is where I am at Rainbow Paradise, one of the hotels where you have direct access to the sea. And that's the lovely sea of Tanjung Bungah. And on that side is the small island called Pulau Tikus. It's the island that gave the district of Pulau Tikus its name. So that's the Pulau Tikus, which means Mouse Island or Rat Island. And that's our short walk from the roadside of Jalan Tanjong Bungah all the way to the beach of Tanjong Bungah. And I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please give it a like so that YouTube will share this with more people. Subscribe also to my YouTube channel Discover with Timothy to go discover places with me. And also, if you have any suggestions of where in Penang you would like me to show you, tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. So that's about all for today, and now please click on the thumbnail to watch the next video.